Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. My name is Manuella Rachuelle, and I'd like to think that I bring you guys good content. So if you agree and you like my work, then please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Right, so let's get started. I'm just starting off with that purple shade, and I'm using the Morphe 35B palette. I don't know why I didn't show it to you guys, but at some point I'm going to show it, so just be watching. But yeah, I'm just placing that in my crease, then I'm going to gently buff out the edges just a little bit, not a lot. But anyway, Happy New Year guys. This is my first video in 2020. Yes, and I'm gonna try to do better with my YouTube videos this year, also my videos on Instagram, and just my content. Part of my goals for 2020. If you haven't started working on the goals that you've set for yourself, guys, it's okay. It's still January, you got time. You got a lot of time, but just don't put pressure on yourself. As long as you're actually working on your goals, then you're doing good. Alright, so now I'm just taking that pink shade and I'm blending it in right above the purple, and I'm just working in small sections and just blending it out. Honestly guys, this look takes time. If you don't like looking at yourself in the mirror for a long time, then this look is not for you. But if you are like me and you don't mind, I'm not gonna say I love looking at myself because I don't, but I don't mind. I don't mind putting in the work for the outcome. But yeah, now I'm just going in with that orange, and I'm using the orange to blend out the pink. And this, like I said, takes time, so just be patient and work slowly. Don't rush yourself with anything at any point. With your makeup, don't rush yourself guys. Make sure you're doing it when you have all the time in the world, but I mean also you can do a quick look, but I guess you wouldn't be doing a look like this one. But yeah, just blend guys. Blending is so important. It really is. So we're just gonna take some time to appreciate the girls' blends. I mean, I don't want to toot my own horn, but I did alright. And now I'm just going in with that purple shade and adding more because I lost some while we were doing all of that blending. So I'm just blending that in. Alright, so now it's time to cut our crease, and I'm gonna use my concealer from Makeup Revolution. And this is another point where you just want to take your time, take your sweet time, because it's not something that you want to rush. I also don't breathe when I'm doing this. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not breathing. And the first time that I watched this video, I actually stopped breathing when I was watching, and then I had to tell myself, like, sis, it's not you that's cutting the crease, it's the gal. So yeah, I don't breathe, I take my time, and that's the advice that I can give to you about this one. I like to use a very small brush because I have more control over it, but I do want to try using a bigger brush. I got brushes from P. Louise, and I'm gonna try using them. Obviously I'm gonna use it off camera because might do a mess for you guys, but I do hope it works out. But yeah, you just want to take your time, and I cut my crease slightly above my actual crease because I have hooded eyes. But people just cut the crease wherever they want to cut the crease, but you just want to make sure that it's not too high and also that it's not too low. So yeah, I'm just filling it in. yeah guys, so at some point the electricity went because having electricity is a luxury at this point. But I just finished my video off on my phone. Well, I finished my eye look on my phone, and what I did was just go in with the lime green shimmer shade, and I just placed that in my lid, and then I went back in with the purple, and I'm just blending that into the lime green, so everything just blends out seamlessly. Alright, so now I'm just gonna finish off my face with my lip, and I'm just doing my normal lip combo, which is the pencil and the nude lipstick. But yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Please do follow me on Instagram because I want to do a giveaway soon, and you know, I know we all like free things, to be honest. We really do all like free things, so just keep up with me on Instagram, and hopefully you could win a few makeup items, some makeup goodies. But yeah guys, please do let me know what you think of this video in the comment section below, and if anyone does this look, please do send it to me or tag me. I'd really love to see that. But yeah, thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.